Alright, son, what time is it now?
It's time to pull the 13B.
Dude, we did it!
Yeah!
No big deal, right?
Nope.
Alright, so it snowed a whole bunch here, and there's this big parking lot just down the street with about a ½ inch of nice hard-packed snow, so I'm going to take the old turbo wagon out for a little drift session.
Hey, dude's yelling at us. Let's go.
That was pretty short-lived. Guess we'll have to have some fun here at the house.
Speaking of the Corona, when I got it, it didn't have a dash pad. Now, the car is so rare I thought that I'd never find one, but in this box I've got one. So, if you need any sort of lead on old school Toyota parts, I met a really cool guy on Instagram. His name is right here. Why do I always get boxes that don't make any sense at all opening them? Woo! Peanut City. Wow, this is special, guys. I got some extra vent parts, some of the vents that go in the dash, and some of the hardware. Not only did he put the parts in, but there's that, I don't know if you can see this, there's actually drawings of the dash and where the parts were located and everything to make it really easy for me when I'm putting everything back together. This is the vent that I really needed because the one that I had is broken. This was an added bonus to the dash pad. Oh man, it's perfect. Now time to get the dash out. I know this pad is going to need a lot of work. It's really cracked, but at least I have one. It's in real rough shape. It's just flexing around everywhere. I'm terrified of breaking it right now. There it is. Thought I'd never see it. It's obviously got a lot of cracks in it, and it's in pretty rough shape because this guy seriously went above and beyond. I know that this wasn't easy pulling it out of a car, and he knows the rare value of Japanese cars, and he really just wants to help out the community. So let him know. There it is, just test fitted in the car. Not bolted in or anything, I just wanted to see what it would look like, and it really changed the look of it for sure. This is going to be so awesome having a new dash in there.